Oh wait, we gotta narrate. Where are we?
We just got done eating at Shoguns. Cause at about 1:35, I looked at the clock and said, "I'm starving." And then I said, "Shoguns is open," and so we called them and made sure they were open until 2. And then we got here like 2 minutes after 2, but they were really nice.
And they let us in.
They let us sit down, and the sushi chefs made us sushi, even though they were kind of done for the night. It was pretty sweet.
It was pretty good. And we were in and out of there in like 8 minutes.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
It was fast.
And then also... Whoa!
Right?
Wow! It's got some echo.
There's some pretty good echoes. Not as good as the movie theaters last night, but pretty good.
Oh my gosh, those echoes were amazing. Amazing!
Can you do a Tarzan yell?
I can't. Still recording. Oh, well, that's enough for now. Bye!